Lorain piggyback number 63 car. Look at the back of that 23. Put on the clock, so the 69 done the clock. And the 23 now, being put on the clock. Now on the clock, but they're on the clock for around 1 minute to get moving. Unable to move. That's really green. Mile driving. Making his way through. The 63 has good tires on either side. 29 on the clock. Also started out of action. being driven by Doug Briner. And the 6:26 now on the clock. 6:26. The 6:26 now out of action. Gonna sandwich him. Right on by him. 812 is just back to that 75 car. And the 75. Davidson gets sandwiched in there. Here in the compact division, we've got the 60, the 812, the 420, and the 75 machine still operating. The 60 down here with nobody around them. He'll get back in the action. 420 takes 8.